Home is some place where we are very comfortable. Where the kids can enjoy, run around. A lot of greenery, I think that's what is more important for me.
The transformation of the whole space is nothing short of a miracle, which is exactly why the client named it a miracle. Hi, I am Manaf Karim, founder of Mad Concepts. Join me for an exclusive home tour of Miracle in Bangalore. To watch premium videos and access PDF ebooks with house plans, log on to buildofy.com. The link is in the description below. So this house belongs to Mr. Tijo Thomas. He stays here with his wife and 2 kids.
In terms of design, we wanted something that was airy, bright, is very spacious as well as practical in nature. And that's how we started in our conversation with Manaf as well. The idea was to have a structure that was unique.
This house is located in the northern part of Bangalore in a gated community called Asha Township. The house is east facing with a road on the east side of the house. The house is situated in 10 cents of land, which is approximately around 4,300 square feet. There is a wicket gate as well here, which opens up directly towards the main entrance door. Once you see the house from the outside, you see these large, enormous lids and all, which gives a dramatic entry to the house. So once you open the main door, you see this vast expanse of space, which gives this premiumness. As we enter the house, this is the first room you will see. This is the living room here. So this is a double height space with a skylight. As you move from room to room, we aim to add elements which catches attention, making it a special experience. The louver also features some slit windows as well, through which the light will come in. The brick jaali which you are seeing here is in a tilted format, which is positioned in a 60-degree format, positioned one above the other. We do have a corten steel screen here that is to filter out the early morning light. The room opposite to the living room is prayer room, and the walls are finished in dark exposed brick. As we open the door, this is the wall one will see once you enter the house. This is a long tall wall with broken stone cladding. This space acts like a center courtyard as well. We are near the swimming pool. This is where the center portion of the house is. Initially, when we discussed, the client wanted a swimming pool, but he didn't ask me to position it inside. Basically, when I started planning and all, I thought like, why don't we bring it inside so that whoever utilizes the swimming pool necessarily doesn't have to go out. So that's how the pool came inside. Initially, as we started planning, the dining room was kind of an outdoor dining room, and later on as we progressed through the designs, we took it inside. We still do have that outdoor vibe to it by giving again the double height ceiling. We have an open kitchen next to the dining room. The guest bedroom is positioned in the southwest corner, which also gives views towards the swimming pool inside. The staircase is positioned in the center portion of the house. It is a cantilevered staircase. It's made out of steel and wood. The first few flights of the stairs are made in a stage kind of format or in a podium kind of fashion, where one can sit over there and enjoy the pool and all. As we move up, we have 3 bedrooms over here. Like we have a master bedroom again on the southwest corner. It also features views towards the swimming pool. And here we have some green shades over the wall and on the floor as well in a very rustic form. And we have a big bay window as well here. We have a pivoted kind of window here. It can open up in multiple ways towards the swimming pool and also towards the bridge which connects across the bedrooms. You can also see the daughter's bedroom from here. These rooms are connected between various bridges across the rooms. This house also features a multi-purpose room or the entertainment room on the first floor. The entertainment room overlooks the living room on the ground floor. The entertainment room opens up towards the terrace garden which is above the car porch. The bedroom on the northwest corner is for the son. He also wanted a blackboard where he can write and draw on. It was a truly memorable experience working with Mr. Tijo Thomas in this project, like how we implemented various elements throughout the house, like bringing an outdoor swimming pool inside or by positioning an outdoor dining room inside. Together we have created something very unique and truly special, a modern tropical villa that brings a Bali themed resort ambience to Bangalore.